What if I told you that one of the most powerful, soothing remedies for your body shares its name with that fluffy treat you roast over a campfire? Most people think of marshmallows as sugary, sticky snacks, but the real story behind the name is far more fascinating and much healthier for you. But we're not talking about candy. We're talking about the marshmallow plant, Althaea officinalis. This beautiful flowering herb has been quietly growing in gardens and wild meadows for centuries, often overlooked despite its incredible healing powers. This isn't just a quirky plant, it's a natural healer that's been used for centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Egyptians, prized marshmallow root for its ability to comfort and heal the body in gentle, effective ways. Marshmallow root can calm a nagging cough, soothe an upset stomach, and even help with a sore throat. Its gentle touch makes it a favorite among herbalists for treating all sorts of internal discomforts, especially when you want something natural and safe. And it doesn't stop there. Marshmallow root can even relieve irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with dryness, redness, or minor burns, this plant's soothing properties can help restore your skin's natural balance and comfort. The secret? Mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and protects irritated tissues. This natural gel forms a protective layer, easing discomfort and helping your body heal itself from the inside out. Imagine a gentle, natural shield for your throat, stomach, or skin. It's like wrapping yourself in a soft, healing blanket, letting nature do what it does best: nurture and protect. For thousands of years, healers have turned to this plant for its unique, soothing properties. Marshmallow root was a staple in ancient apothecaries, trusted to bring relief when little else could. Today, we'll unlock the potential of marshmallow root and show you why it deserves a spot in your wellness toolkit. Whether you're making a simple tea or a homemade skin salve, this plant offers gentle, effective support for the whole family. Forget the sugary treat. This is about real, time-tested healing. The next time you see marshmallow candies, remember their roots are in something far more nourishing and beneficial. From ancient Egypt to modern herbalists, marshmallow root's story is one of comfort and gentle care. Its legacy continues to grow as more people rediscover the wisdom of natural remedies. Let's explore how this humble plant can help you and your family feel better, naturally. With just a little knowledge, you can bring the healing power of marshmallow root into your daily life. Your body will thank you for embracing this gentle, time-honored remedy from your own backyard. Marshmallow root's story stretches back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians mixed its sap with honey to soothe coughs and sore throats, a remedy fit for royalty. Greeks and Romans, including Hippocrates, used it to heal wounds and calm inflammation. Its name, Althaea, comes from the Greek word for to heal. In medieval Europe, monks grew marshmallow in monastery gardens, using it for everything from skin sores to upset stomachs. Its reputation as a gentle, effective healer was carefully preserved in herbal texts. This long history gives us confidence in its safety and effectiveness. Marshmallow root isn't a fad. It's been trusted for millennia. Today, science is confirming what our ancestors knew. Marshmallow root soothes, protects, and heals naturally. It's a legacy of gentle healing that endures. Few things are more annoying than a scratchy, sore throat. Marshmallow root offers a natural solution, thanks to its mucilage, which forms a soothing film over your throat. It's like a gentle bandage, calming irritation and helping your body heal. Every swallow or cough creates friction, but marshmallow root's gel-like layer reduces that, easing inflammation. It's a favorite remedy for colds, flu, laryngitis, or even overused voices. The tea is mild, slightly sweet, and easy to drink, even for kids. Marshmallow root works with your body, not against it, to restore comfort. Next time your throat feels raw, try a simple marshmallow root tea. It's a safe, time-tested way to support healing and quiet discomfort. Nature's lozenge, pure and simple. A dry, nagging cough can drain your energy and disrupt your sleep, leaving you feeling exhausted and frustrated. Night after night, the constant tickle in your throat can make it nearly impossible to get the rest your body needs to heal. For many, this cycle of coughing and sleeplessness can feel endless, especially during cold and flu season. Marshmallow Root shines here too. Its soothing mucilage coats the throat and upper airways, calming irritation. This natural, plant-based remedy has been used for centuries to ease discomfort and provide gentle relief. When you sip marshmallow root tea, you can almost feel the soothing effect as it lines your throat, reducing that raw, scratchy feeling. It acts as an antitussive, helping suppress the cough reflex and giving your body a break. This means fewer interruptions to your day and a better chance at a peaceful night's sleep. Marshmallow Root's gentle action makes it suitable for both adults and children, and it can be especially helpful when you want to avoid harsher medications. For lingering coughs, Marshmallow Root calms the underlying irritation, not just the symptom. It works to address the root cause of your discomfort, helping your throat and airways recover naturally over time. It can also act as a mild expectorant, thinning mucus and making it easier to clear congestion. This dual action, soothing and clearing, means you can breathe a little easier even when your cold seems to linger. Whether your cough is dry or wet, Marshmallow Root adapts to support your recovery. Add a bit of honey and lemon for extra comfort, or blend it with other gentle herbs for a personalized remedy. A warm tea or homemade syrup before bed can bring real relief. The ritual of preparing and sipping your remedy can also help you unwind, signaling to your body that it's time to rest and heal. You can even try steam inhalation with Marshmallow Root for direct airway soothing. The gentle vapors help open your airways and provide immediate comfort, especially when congestion is at its worst. It's a gentle, versatile tool for cold and flu season, fitting easily into your home remedy kit. Families have relied on Marshmallow Root for generations, and its safety and effectiveness make it a favorite among herbalists. Marshmallow Root helps you rest, recover, and breathe easier, so you can get back to your daily life feeling refreshed and renewed. Keep it on hand for natural respiratory support, and you'll always have a gentle ally when coughs and colds strike. Your lungs will thank you for the care and comfort Marshmallow Root provides, season after season. Your digestive system needs gentle care, and Marshmallow Root delivers. Its mucilage coats the esophagus, stomach, and intestines, protecting and soothing irritated tissues. For heartburn or acid reflux, it forms a barrier against stomach acid, easing pain and preventing further irritation. Marshmallow Root can calm inflammation from gastritis or inflammatory bowel conditions, giving your gut a chance to heal. It may even help with leaky gut by supporting the intestinal lining. Whether you're dealing with constipation or diarrhea, Marshmallow Root helps restore balance. It absorbs excess water to relieve diarrhea and lubricates to ease constipation. A true friend to your digestive system. Your skin faces daily stress, sun, dryness, bites, and more. Marshmallow Root isn't just for internal use, it's a fantastic topical soother. Its mucilage forms a hydrating, protective layer, reducing redness and swelling. For eczema, psoriasis, or general irritation, a Marshmallow Root poultice or cream calms inflammation and relieves itching. It helps heal minor wounds, burns, and insect bites, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. A cool compress of Marshmallow Root tea can soothe sunburn and hydrate damaged skin. Even if you don't have a skin condition, Marshmallow Root is a gentle addition to your daily skincare routine. Use it in lotions, creams, or as a simple rinse for soft, calm skin. Give your skin the natural care it deserves. Marshmallow Root's benefits go beyond throat, gut, and skin. It supports urinary tract health by soothing inflamed tissues and acting as a gentle diuretic. This helps flush bacteria and ease discomfort during urinary tract infections. Marshmallow Root can also help with mild fluid retention, encouraging your body to release excess water. It supports kidney function and healthy fluid balance. Surprisingly, Marshmallow Root is great for hair too. Its mucilage acts as a natural conditioner and detangler, leaving hair soft and shiny. Rinse your hair with Marshmallow Root Infusion for easy combing and natural moisture. From urinary health to hair care, Marshmallow Root is a versatile ally. Discover its many uses for whole-body wellness. Ready to try marshmallow root? This gentle, time-honored herb has been cherished for centuries for its soothing properties and versatility. Whether you're new to herbal remedies or looking to expand your wellness toolkit, marshmallow root is a wonderful place to start. It's surprisingly easy to add to your daily routine. You can incorporate marshmallow root in a variety of ways, depending on your needs and preferences. One of the simplest methods is to make a soothing tea. Just steep dried marshmallow root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The result is a comforting, mild beverage that can help ease a scratchy throat or calm digestive discomfort. If you're looking for even more soothing mucilage, try a cold infusion. Place the root in room temperature water and let it sit for several hours or overnight. This gentle process draws out more of the plant's natural, slippery compounds. The result is a mild, gel-like drink that's especially great for your throat and gut. Many people find it comforting during cold season or after a long day of talking. For skin relief, marshmallow root can be just as helpful. Mix powdered root with warm water to create a soothing paste. Then gently apply it to irritated or inflamed areas of your skin. Cover the area with a soft cloth and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. This simple poultice can provide quick, soothing relief for minor irritations, dryness, or discomfort. For those who prefer convenience, marshmallow root is also available in capsules, tinctures, syrups, and lozenges. These options make it easy to enjoy the benefits of marshmallow root even on your busiest days. You'll also find marshmallow root in a variety of natural skincare products, from creams to balms, designed to calm and nourish sensitive skin. However you choose to use it, marshmallow root is a simple, practical way to support your health and well-being. It's a gentle addition to any wellness routine, suitable for the whole family. Start small, listen to your body, and see how you respond. You might be surprised by how much this humble root can offer. Nature's remedies are closer than you think. Sometimes all it takes is a single step to welcome them into your life. We've explored the history, science, and practical uses of marshmallow root, a gentle, powerful gift from nature. Remember, natural remedies are most effective when used wisely. The information here is for education, not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. Keep learning, read, ask questions, and explore the world of natural health. Share what you've discovered about marshmallow root with friends and family. The more we know, the more we can benefit from nature's gentle healing. Your health journey is personal. Take steps that feel right for you. Embrace the power of nature. Make informed choices and keep exploring. Here's to your health, naturally. Thanks for watching.